Hey there, this is Chris Kellett with MuseGrid.com. We have a new widget called the Medium Blog widget, and this allows you to put Medium blogs on your Muse site. So let's take a look at Medium first. So I'm on the Medium.com website, and you can see here that this has got a load of stories in here, which is their reading list. But if we want to create our own articles, once you've got an account, you log in and you click on New Story. And you can see this very nice simple interface. So let's add an image here. Let's say this one's nice. And we can see that it automatically adds that image as a background image. Then we can start filling in, writing our story. We've got all sorts of things that we can do with this Medium widget. I like it because it's very clean and creates these really nice looking responsive design articles. But once we've got those articles, we want to place them onto our website. So we can go about that by using the collections option here. And if I did a search for, let's say, digital tips, here we go. We can see that these are collections, and these are basically articles that have been written and then put together in a collection, so kind of like a load of tagged articles all in one place. And you can do that with your own articles as well. So you could create a load of articles, put them into a collection, and then once you've done that, you're able to, let's take a look at one of these, digital innovation. So this is the article background image here. It looks great. These are the latest articles in there, and we can get the code from it. We can get this code here to embed, but we've made it even easier with the widget, and we've added some great new features as well. So we can just grab this here, and let's use this this link here. So this part of the link, that's what we wanted to grab. And let's now go and add the Medium widget to an Adobe Muse page, and we can see the power of this new widget. So we're in Muse now, and I've just opened up a new site, and I've installed the Medium blog widget here. So I'm just going to drag that onto the page, and we can see that that comes styled up with this show hide button. Let's take a look at the options that we have here. I'm just going to move this across so we can see the options here. So we can see that we've got our Medium collection to show, which is where we grab that part of the URL, so we can put that in there. We can give it a heading, a title. We can change the text of this button here. We can change the button color, the rollover color, the fonts, and we can change lots of different controls to do with this widget. So let's place that on the page and see what it looks like in its default state. So I'm going to preview this in the browser. We can see that this is loaded up, just the show hide button. If we click on that, that will open up our blog. And then nice thing with this is you can have your latest articles hidden so that you just click to open them up, which saves space. And this will push the other items that are sitting underneath this unit down, so it won't load over the top. It'll push them all down nice and neatly, so that works great. So we can switch it so that the panel shows automatically without the show hide button on there, and we can also make this full width. But first of all, let's put our URL in here. So I'm going to remove this one and paste in the one that we just got, this digital innovation, and let's preview this now. Preview this in the browser. And we'll see that this automatically loads up that in place with it open, and we can still open and close it, so that works great. And now what about if we wanted this full width? Well, that's pretty easy. If we go to the transform tool here and we just switch on the full width there, and then when we preview this in the browser, you can see once that loads up, it loads full width, which is great. So that can complement our designs as well, and the show hide still works nicely on there. So this is a really great, powerful new widget to work with the Medium blogging platform, which I really do like, and it's nice and easy to implement. You can change the fonts here using the Muse's built-in font controls here. So you can get this to look how you want, and there's lots of other options that you can see in here to do with the padding of the button itself, whether you want a radius on the button, and so on and so forth. So enjoy using it, and thanks for watching.